Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a great health tip for a healthy drink. So first of all, we've got our glass and you'll need some water. Now I'm going to be using some sparkling mineral water. I would highly recommend having some mineral water, and if you buy it in a glass, it is actually better than buying it in a plastic bottle. Now I am having sparkling, but if you are more of a Vata dosha, you can always go for more still water. So we just need a little bit, say half a glass. And to this we are going to add the organic apple cider vinegar. Now you do tend to find the sediment ends at the bottom, the mother if you like, so you just want to give that just a little shake. And we're going to add around 2 tablespoons in here. This is great for the digestion and for the gut. To say, I tend to have this morning and evening, it just sets you up for the day. And here we have some turmeric powder. So again, great for inflammation. So I'm just going to add literally just under half a teaspoon. I'm going to add that to it. Now at this point you can add a little bit of lemon if you like as well, but I am going to add some black peppercorns. Important to use peppercorns with the turmeric because it does aid the digestion better. So just give that a little bit there, and again, and give it a good mix. Amazing orange colour. And this is an amazing drink, a great healthy benefit to your day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and tell me what you think if you try the drink yourself as well. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below. And for more hints and tips, please subscribe. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.